Welcome to the joy of graphing. Today we're going to be dealing with number lines. Now I will have the colors go across the bottom, so if you'd like to graph along with me, you can. So I have my titanium white surface all ready to go. And I'm going to start with my midnight black, and I'm going to draw a horizontal line across the surface. It doesn't have to be perfect. This pen gives you the license to do it however you want it. It just gives it character. Okay. And then somewhere in the middle, you are going to want to draw a mark and name it 0. Now it can be anywhere, just somewhere as close to the middle as you want. I think I'm going to put it right there. So now we're going to want to change over to our violet color, but first you're going to want to take care of your marker. So you want to get some dry erase cleaner, get it good and clean, and then you're going to want to dry it off. I have it over here to take care of that. Okay, so now we're going to take our violet, and I'm going to make 4 marks on each side of my 0. Again, doesn't matter where, you put them where you feel it should go on your line. And then you can name these whatever you would like. That one looks like a 2 to me, so I'm going to name it 2. That's a 4 if I've ever seen one. That would make that one a 1. And what we did to this side, we're going to want to mirror on that side, but put negatives in front. So you think of these as being the happy and these being the sad numbers. Because sometimes the happiness and the sadness balance out and we get nothing. Now, we have number lines to help us with adding and subtracting. So now, on our titanium white, I have another number line that I drew using the same steps we did previously. Now, it's a different number line, a little bigger, but that doesn't make it better than the first one. They are their own separate number lines, and they're both wonderful in their own way. And then I have this question, 2 plus 2 plus 1 equals. So to solve it, we're going to take our bright red and we're going to make a mark at 2. Oh, right there. That's a good mark. And now, if we're adding, we move to the right. If we're subtracting, we move to the left. And so since we're adding 2, we're going to move 2 spots to the right. So I'm going to show that by drawing clouds. 1, 2. Which puts us at 4. But we still have to add 1, so we're going to have to add 1 more cloud. Oh, that's a good cloud. Which puts us at 5. So my answer would be 5. Again, when we're done with our bright red, we need to get a little bit of dry erase marker fluid, clean it off, and then get it good and dry. And then we're done. So to finish our graphing today, we're going to graph the coordinate plane system, which is just 2 number lines, 1 horizontal, 1 vertical, intersecting in the middle. So I'm going to take my midnight black, draw my horizontal number line, put a mark in the middle, and I think it's right about there, but I'm going to make a vertical line through that spot. little bump there, but it gives it character. And then we're going to add our dashes like we did before. And that's our coordinate plane. The horizontal axis is named X, and the vertical one is named Y. And on this coordinate plane, you can graph anything your imagination and heart desires. You can have points, you can have lines, you can have parabolas, anything you want. I am feeling like drawing a cloud. So, again, take your midnight black, get some cleaner, clean it off, then dry it off. Then get your royal blue and draw a cloud however you want, wherever you want. I'm feeling that area. Oh, that's a good cloud. Sometimes giving them a name helps. That looks like a Charlie. So happy and carefree. Just up high, carefree. High as a kite, just happy. And that's the joy of graphing. I hope you enjoyed the journey with me today. I sure did. And you have a nice rest of your day.